watching her life go by. When her days are gray and her nights are black, different shades of mundane, and the one-eyed fairy toy that lies upon the bed has often heard her cry, and heard her whisper at a name long forgiven but not forgotten. You're forgiven, not forgotten. You're forgiven, not forgotten. You're forgiven, not forgotten. You're not forgotten. A bleeding heart torn apart and left on an icy grave. In the room where they once lay face to face, and nothing could get in the way. But now the memories of a man are haunting her days, and the craving never fades. She's still dreaming of a man long forgiven but not forgotten. You're forgiven, not forgotten. You're forgiven, not forgotten. You're forgiven, not forgotten. You're not forgotten. Wishing her life goodbye as she goes searching for the man long forgiven but not forgotten. Yeah, forgiven, not forgotten. No, 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 no. You're forgiven, not forgotten. You're forgiven, forgotten. You're forgiven, not forgotten. You're You're not forgotten. No, you're not forgotten. The girl's a fool, she broke the rules she had in heart. This time he will break down. She's lost his trust and so she must know all is lost. The system has broke down. Romance has broke down. This boy is cracking up. This boy has broken down. This boy is cracking up. This boy has broke down. She plays it hard, she plays it tough, but that's enough, the love is over. She's broke his heart and that is rough, but in the end he'll soon recover. The romance is over. This boy is cracking up. This boy is broken down. Yeah, yeah. This boy is cracking up. This boy has broke down. it's not the same, honey, with you not around. I've been spending my time in the old town. I sure miss you, honey, but you're not around. You're not around this